Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a macro on PS5. First, understand that a macro is essentially a shortcut, performing multiple actions with just one button press. While the PlayStation 5 doesn't offer a dedicated macro recording feature directly, we can achieve similar results. This involves using the console's robust accessibility settings or integrating specific external hardware, expanding your gameplay possibilities significantly. To begin, head to your PlayStation 5's main settings menu, then scroll down to Accessibility. From there, select Controllers, and you will find Custom Button Assignments. This powerful setting lets you swap the functions of any button, effectively creating basic macros for repetitive actions. For example, you could map R3 to perform an action normally assigned to the square button, simplifying common inputs. This method is straightforward and uses only the console itself. For more advanced macro functionality, consider external hardware solutions. Many high-end, third-party controllers feature programmable back buttons or paddles, allowing you to assign multi-button sequences. There are also specialized adapters and keypads designed to record and playback intricate macros, offering greater customization than the console's native settings. Always ensure that any external device you choose is fully compatible with your PlayStation 5 system before purchase. Let's create a simple macro. Imagine a game where you frequently press circle, then square, then R1 in quick succession. Using your external device's software, simply record this 3-button sequence with the correct timings. Assign this entire sequence to a single, unused paddle or back button. Now, with just one press, your character executes the full combo, saving you precious milliseconds and effort during intense gameplay. Always save your new profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.